Hello, welcome to week 4 of beginning app and 2D game development. Ben Geisler coming at you, just talking to you about the basics of week 4. Just some things to keep in mind. Basically, we've got video content up for week 4 now. Um, there are two main things we're covering this week. We're covering arrays, as well as we're covering game design and game development. So, sort of the basics of game development. Really excited about this unit because we basically get into um, what it means to perform game design, what process we go through to make games. And we're also covering arrays in C Sharp, so we'll do some more of the C Sharp fundamentals. As you can see, we've basically got two initial chapters on arrays, and then a dev process video, a game design video, and then two more arrays videos. There's also a mini project due. Your SUD mini project, your single user dungeon project is due at 11:59 on the 1st, which is this week, Tuesday. So this coming Tuesday, a week from yesterday, that will be due. If you don't know how to do that, you can go to this link here that talks about how to submit your files and how to start peer grading. Make sure you've signed up for uh, teammates already, and you will have your team forum access. You will be able to see, I can actually see all the different teams, but you'll just see one of these teams listed when you click on the team forums link. And that's your team, and that's where you submit your project, and then we will be grading each other's work. And I'll be giving some hints on how you can go about grading that as well pretty soon. So, also this week, we will be covering the basics of the design presentation for the space shooter. So next week we're getting into the space shooter tutorials, and we're going to complete that space shooter game that we started back at week 1. Back at week 1, I just sort of had you download some files to really just load up XNA Game Studio and make sure it worked. But now we're actually going to take the assets that was in those zip files and actually make a game out of it. So we need to talk about the design for that game first, and I'm going to launch those videos on Friday. So that's about it. Enjoy this week's videos. Make sure to take the quiz, as always, by Monday night. There will also be two optional assignments. You can do either one of them. One is going to be involving arrays. Another one's going to be involving game design documents. So that one might be kind of fun. As always, the assignments are optional. Projects are not optional. Quizzes are not optional, but assignments are optional. But in this case, I think you really might enjoy the game design assignment, so check that out.